What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-Minute Garden Tip, I'm going to learn the real deal about homegrown peaches for the first time. My peach growing journey has been a long one. I planted a peach tree right here about 5 or 6 years ago, but the first one I planted died. It was one from the PF series, and it couldn't come back from a hard pruning. So 2 years ago, in the spring of 2024, I planted this Betty peach from Rain Tree Nursery. So it went in the ground in the spring of 2024, and it is now the summer of 2026. So it's only been in ground for 2 years and 2 months, and it already has fruit on it. So that's kind of a success. Now, originally, this had 4 fruits on it that reached maturity. It had a bunch more, but because it's so young, a bunch of them dropped when they were about halfway formed. However, something came in the middle of the night and took one, which is why I had this thing covered in insect netting, and that's why it's looking a little bit sad. Then I picked one too early. Then I noticed this one on the ground just now, so I guess it fell off because I let it get overripe. But hey, I do have one ripe peach on here in this organza bag right now. So let's give this one a pick and we'll see if it's any good. So here is the Betty peach. I believe this is a lesser known peach from the Pacific Northwest, so I doubt that anybody is really growing it in the South aside from maybe a few hobbyists. So if anybody's curious if the Betty peach will grow in the South, yes, it will. And that's a pretty decent sized peach that I imagine is only going to get larger as the peach tree becomes more and more mature. Oh, and the smell is absolutely incredible. It's like perfume. Wow, this is going to be really good, I think. I have not had a fresh peach right off a tree in probably 27 or 28 years. I grew up working on a farm in New Jersey, and when I first started working there, he had a bunch of old peach trees that we would pick the peaches fresh, but he wound up removing them all to make room for more cornfields because that was the big Jersey cash crop, and he didn't have to maintain the cornfields and spray them nearly as much as the peaches. So I'm really excited to try this for the first time in almost a lifetime. Oh my goodness. That is as soft and smooth as butter. It is so sweet and just absolutely dripping. That is absolutely unbelievable right there. Unreal good. I'm not exaggerating how insanely juicy this thing is. I have not had a peach this good ever in my memory. This is crazy. And watch this. This is a Freestone peach. There you go. Virtually nothing clinging onto that peach. I'm so sad that I only have one. That was the best peach of my life. Absolutely unbelievable. So, if you've been a long-term follower of either of my channels, you will notice that I basically have no content at all about peaches. And that's because I've never really been a peach guy. They've never held much of a fascination to me. Now that I've eaten that peach, I'm going to become a peach guy. I'm going to be putting a lot more effort into this beautiful tree right here. That was like a top 10 all-time fruit that I've ever had. That just blew my mind, and this has forever changed the way that I'm going to look at peaches. I had no idea that a peach could be that good. That was absolutely unbelievable. Oh my goodness, here comes the bunny. Oh, Dale is chasing the bunny. Dude, you just totally ruined my shot. I was having a life-changing experience, and here you are chasing the bunny again. So yeah, expect more content on peaches next year because I'm going to double down on this tree and give it a lot more attention. If you're looking for an absolutely phenomenal peach, I highly recommend Betty. Obviously, it does well in the Pacific Northwest and it does well in the South here too. So they sell it at Rain Tree Nursery. Check them out if you want this tree. I am blown away. And that's today's 2-Minute Garden Tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.